guys, Phil here with another unboxing. Today's kit is the V Gundam vs Sazabi twin set Gundam base release kit. This is quite a big box considering it's a HG. Your standard HG boxes, only yay big. Now this one here is the Fateful Battle Set, which is got the special coating. It's got the chrome V Gundam and a nice metallic red Sazabi. As usual, it's got the nice illustration on front cover by Bandai. This side here, it's got nice basically bust of both models, as well as your HG and all your other Legos. This side here, it's just got some write-up about actual Gundam base and some more descriptive messages on the side here. This side, same as the other sides, the bust of the two mobile suits. And on this side here, just got some illustrations of the actual pieces completed and posability. Quite nice with these ones, and does come with a stand, which is a nice additional bonus. Alright, first one is some nice pieces, looks like for the V Gundam, nice chrome. Got here also. Nice high gloss gold here. It looks like it's for the Sazabi. We've got some of the Sazabi shield and some of the backpack. Nice high gloss red. Some more pieces here for Sazabi. It's got some of the head pieces, foot pieces. Quite impressed actually with the nice shininess of this red. Actually should look quite nice finished. Some more of the Sazabi pieces. Now, just looking at these pieces, like we'll know more once it's finished, but quite look like big pieces for a high grade. They look closer to just smaller than a master grade, so I'll be interested to see what it looks like completed. And here we got the multicolor runner, and you've got the decals here. This looks like before the Sazabi by the looks of it. And here we got more pieces for the V Gundam. Yes. Some armor pieces, look like got the shield, some of the weapons, waist pieces. Some more of the Sazabi. Quite a few pieces in this one, so it'll be a nice fun kit to build. Yeah, like you can see here, they're the actual foot pieces, and kind of see by the size of them, yeah, it's not going to be a small kit, so it's quite nice. Some more pieces for the Sazabi, like the inner frame, you've got the effect parts here, some of the joint pieces. Quite nice. And looking at the inner frame, they look like they've got a bit of a metallic tint to them, so it's quite a nice touch. And here we've got some more pieces for definitely the Sazabi, and the decals here, they look like the polycaps.
some more of the high gloss gold pieces, obviously for, oh, this one here looks like it'll be for the V Gundam. So, no, quite nice. Yeah. High gloss gold and high gloss chrome, so quite nice. It looks like some pieces for the stand, and we've got some more of the inner frame pieces and some more polycaps. And some more inner frame pieces here, 2 in this bag. They both look F. Yep. Some more inner frame here and some more decals. This one looks like it's for the V Gundam, going by the decal. Some more inner frame pieces. It looks like some jet pieces also, thrusters. The final one is the stand. This is quite a big stand. It has to hold both models, so yeah, overall it should be a nice size. Okay, we've got the manuals. This one here is for the V Gundam. It's got the nice picture of the kit on the front, finished. Got some more illustrations. Now, it's unusual for this year, like all the latest kits have been in English and Japanese, but this seems to be only in Japanese. That's a little bit disappointing. They're probably using a guide from an older model, but it would have been nice for them to upgrade it, but oh well. You've got your runner guide here. Always double check this before you start building, make sure you got all the pieces. And it's your build guide. Just have a look here. And it looks like it's got some illustrations from the anime, and just shows you some of the movable parts here. And shows you some more illustrations here. And if we go, yeah, back also at the bottom here, it's got all your color chart. So that was for the V Gundam, and here's for the Sazabi. Again, it's got the nice illustration front cover of the mobile suit. I have to admit, I'm quite happy with Bandai. They always get their pictures nice for the front covers. Here you've got some more illustration of the mobile suit, and but at the bottom here it's a nice touch all the other models and kits you can get from this series. And again, you've got your runner chart, you've got your build guide, and once again at the bottom here, if you wanted to hand paint it, you've got the recommended color chart at the bottom. And just here gives you the guide on how to build the stand. Now also with, let's throw that over there. With this kit I'm going to include, also picked this up from the Gundam base, it's the debris kit. So just to give the model a bit more life like posing, if you want to say. So it does obviously include the model, it just includes all the effect parts. So. And this one here was about $20 Australian, so, and just shows you some on the side here what it can look like once all the debris parts are set. Okay, just put that on the side here. Okay. And that's it. got, what's it? 6 pieces of debris. Whole box just for 6 pieces. Okay. So, yeah, nice grey. Like, I'm not very good with painting, but I've seen some people do some amazing work with these, like make them actually look lifelike. It's nice. Here we've got the stand holders, if you want to say, for the debris parts. Nice clear pieces. You got this one here. Does come with a stand, but I won't be using the stand for this one. I'll be using the stand that comes with the battle set, and it comes with water slides if you want to add like a damaged look onto the mobile suits, which I won't be doing. And that's the stand. Also quite a big one, so maybe I might see if I could incorporate both stands, make it like a bit wider. We'll see how we go. And you got your build guide once again for the stands. Okay, that's it for this unboxing. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If not, not a problem. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell as well, so you get notified when I do put up videos. Lately I haven't been putting videos up as frequent as I'd like, as I've been busy with work, as most of you guys are as well. Yeah, this does seem like it's going to be a fun build, and yeah, can't wait to get stuck into it. Thanks for watching, see you next time.